Temperatures here in Sioux City hanging out in the low 40s at the current moment. Not currently picking up any wind gusts, and we are seeing clear skies here in Sioux City. Going to our temperatures across the region, seeing some 30s creeping up in here, seeing that over in Lamar's and Cherokee. Still seeing some 50s though up by Sheldon, even mid 50s over here in Neely. So definitely seeing a larger spread of temperatures as the night is continuing on, but we're going to continue to cool off and calm down as the night continues. Dew point temperatures right now, still seeing a little bit more moisture over here on the Iowa side of the viewing area. Lots of those mid and upper 30s, but we are starting to see some of those drier air temperatures moving in behind that cold front. Seeing some 20s starting to creep their way to the area, especially over by Bloomfield. Going into our winds right now, you can definitely see where that boundary is with that dramatic wind shift, seeing all this northwesterly winds coming in from the northwest. Then you see this shift right in here. That is where your boundary is. That is where that cold front, and again, I say cold front with air quotes here because there's not really much of a temperature gradient going on with this frontal boundary, just a major wind shift. Now, taking a quick glance at our satellite radar, not much going on here in the Missouri River Valley other than just seeing some cloud coverage moving into the area, looking like most of those scattered showers are remaining well up to our north of the viewing area. Continuing on to our stormcast, going to continue to see clear skies moving into the region on Monday morning, seeing the surface high pressure system very quickly move through. As we move into Tuesday night, we're going to start to see a little bit of development of a low pressure system kind of trying to form, and then it'll eventually move through. So this is what's going to cause a rapid warm up for our Tuesday, then a rapid cool down for our Wednesday. Based on where that low pressure system will be, it'll likely pass over directly on top of Sioux City. Now, like I mentioned, we're not exactly going to be feeling a lot like November, as we are going to be above average, even extending past the 9 on 9, seeing that 70 to 80% chance of above average temperatures here in Siouxland. Going to temperatures tonight though, gonna be a little chilly, hanging out in the mid 30s, mostly clear skies. Going to tomorrow, rising up to the 60s with those increasing clouds throughout the overnight hours. Going to see that wind shift from the west-northwest to the southeast as we see that warm front make its way closer. So we're going to be seeing some pretty nice weather for our Tuesday as well. Don't forget to go out and vote. Then extending out, like I said, you're going to see a little bit of a cool down for our Wednesday, then increase in cloud coverage for our Thursday. Now, another system will be moving through Friday into Saturday, which means that we're going to be seeing some precipitation, and from there we're going to kind of coast down into the 40s and 50s.